Hello everyone, this is GentleTech. Is your Google Chrome slow in downloading? Don't worry, we are going to fix that. We are going to make it better and faster. First of all, we are going to click on Google Chrome, click on it and go to the far right corner. There's a three dots over there. Click on it. Then you click on settings. Click on settings. Click on settings, and then at the left corner you see privacy and security. Click on it. Click on it. Now search for security. So that is the fourth one here. Security. Click on it. Click on it. You scroll down, and then you find use secure DNS. It will tell me how to connect to websites, safely. Search for use secure DNS and then click on it. My own is not working here, but when you get there, you check and then you click on what? Google. You click on Google. When you get there, you can select Google Cloud DNS, or you can also select Cloudflare 1.1.1. You see it over there. But in your case, you can choose the one that is best for you, either Cloudflare 1.1. or Google Public DNS. You can select the one that is good for you. It will definitely increase the performance of your downloads. To definitely increase it. Once you are done, I think the best way is what? Close the window, and then reopen it again. When you are done, you just click the search and type Chrome. Let me use small letters. Chrome / flags. After typing that, then you hit enter. At the very top, you see here you need to find what we call the parallel downloading. It's not here, so what you need to do is to type it. So let me type it. Parallel downloading. That's it over here. So we need to enable parallel downloading. We need to enable it to accelerate the speed of Google Chrome, to make it very fast. So let me enable it here. Now after you enable it, you can close it. And then relaunch the Google Chrome again, so that the changes that we have done will take effect. Now let's click on the three dot again and go to settings. Then at your left side you see system. Click on the system. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You see, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Let's turn it off. You see, because when this is not on, close browser, even a Google Chrome is open, it will still use its resources. You see, use graphic acceleration when available. That one you can turn it on. Alright, I think we have done with the settings. For your bonus tip, if you want more speed, Google Chrome to give you more speed, you can go to the three dots right there, go to more tools, you see extension over here, you see extension over here, you click on the extension, After you go to extension, then make sure that you remove all the extensions that you don't use. Remove all the extensions you don't use. If you don't use, remove it to take the resources of your computer. Take most of the resources of the computer. That's the CPU, the RAM. Take them all. When you are done with all this, close it, reopen it, and try downloading. I wish you a better speed when downloading. God bless you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.